Adding users to Podium BI is simple. I want to show you how to add hundreds of users without having to pay for additional Power BI licenses. Let's jump over to Podium BI. I have a survey report pulled up, and in this case I want to be able to take this report and send it out to 200 users. I want them to receive a PDF version of the report on a weekly basis, as well as an interactive version of the report. Let's get started. First, what we want to do is head over to Azure to add the new users. You can log into portal.azure.com, and we want to come to the users section. Right now you can see I only have 2 users, and so what I want to do is take advantage of the bulk feature, and I want to do a bulk create. If you click the download, it's going to give you the file format that you need. We're going to go ahead and open up the one we have, and we're going to submit it. While this is loading, I want to show you what the file format looks like. We have full name, email address, and the initial password. It looks like that was finished loading. Let's go ahead and refresh. Now we have our 200 users here. The next thing we want to do is add them to a group to make it really easy in Podium BI to add them to reports as well as report bursting. Let's do that. Let's head up to Home and then Groups. And we want to go ahead and create a new group, and we're going to call this Survey. We'll give this just a second and we'll refresh. Now that our new group is created, let's add our members. Let's click on Survey and then go to Members, Bulk Import. Just like with adding new users, we can bulk import these as well. Let's upload our file. And let's kick that off. Let's go ahead and refresh. And there we go. Our members were added to the survey group. You may be wondering where I went to get the ID for each user. If we come back to users, if you download the user list, it will provide you the ID needed. Let's head back over to Podium BI and see how we can use this information. Here's our survey report. Let's come to Settings, and we're going to go to View Groups, and let's go ahead and reload the groups. What you're going to notice is now our 200 users are available in this list below, which means we can now use this for our report. For the survey results report, we want to head up to the gear icon. And right now, only Tim and the .NET admin can see it. So let's go ahead and add survey. So now all 200 users have access to the survey report. Now you can take advantage of the report bursting capabilities. This would allow you to email this report out to the 200 new users on a daily or weekly basis. You can choose to attach the report in the email, as well as include an interactive link to the report. With Podium BI, you can add unlimited users without worrying about incremental licensing cost. The users can be internal or external.
Reach out today and let us simplify your business intelligence. Podium BI, your data only smarter.